Hello friends, welcome to Budgetary TV's BT Market Talk Weekend Review. Last week, market was volatile as predicted. All over a week, VIX traded around 18 marks. We saw total swing of almost 500 points in Nifty, but still market traded well in our given level of 17,450 to 17,500 on downside and 18,000 to 18,100 on upside. For last two consecutive weeks, markets closed in upper band of given levels, but this week it closed just above the lower band of given levels. Last week, we also said volatility above 15 may see more of it in coming week, and the same happened. VIX made high above 19 and closed near 18. Volatility closing around 18 this week and PCR below 1 for third consecutive week, suggesting market to see more upside with increase in volatility as well. Coming back to this week BT Market Talk Weekend Review, in which we are going to take a look at the comparative analysis of then Nifty levels with Nifty now along with then index PE and volatility as well. We will also be looking at FII and DII buying selling figures, option chain data and important levels to watch for Nifty. So, without wasting more time, let's start. Welcome to Budgetary TV's BT Market Talk Weekend Review. Nifty closed at 17,532, registered negative weekly close with loss of more than 300 points, that is almost 2%. In September, market registered a gain of around 500 points, and in current financial year, Nifty is up by more than 2,900 points, that is almost 20%. Let's look back to the Nifty journey. 1 year back on 1st October, Nifty was at 11,417, which is by now up by more than 6,100 points, that is around 54%. 3 years back on 1st October 2018, Nifty was at 11,008, is up by around 60% with 6,500 points gain. And 5 years back on 1st October 2016, it was at 8,738, now at 17,532, is up by 8,800 points, that is above 100% gain. Let's look at FII and DII data. Last Friday, FII bought for 131 crore, whereas DII sold for more than 600 crore. In last week, FII stands as a net seller of around 6,100 crore and DII bought for 4,300 crore. In September, FII and DII both stands as a buyer of rupees 600 crore and 6,000 crore respectively. Current financial year, FII still stands as a net seller of around 4,300 crore and DII supporting the market by giving a strong buying hand of about 5,100 crore. Now moving to option chain data, looking at top 5 open interest positions of calls and puts suggests market may trade between 1,700-150 to 1,800-150 levels in coming week with high volatility. Before conclude, if you find the given information useful, then give it a like, share with your friends and give your views in comment section below. Now to conclude, the downside Nifty may take support near 17,450 to 17,500 levels in near week, whereas on upside it may witness resistance around 18,100 to 18,150 levels. Market mood is still positive and will remain positive till retailers turns extra bullish on market. Thanks for watching Budgetary TV's. Happy New Week ahead and enjoy coming Navratri. Thanks.